Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot, currently trading around $9.35 here. Just a quick one really to confirm we are still on track here to complete this 5-wave move down. I'm looking here into completing this impulsive wave down that we started here after the wave 4 peaked at, let me just double check where that was, at the wave E peak here at around $11.19, yeah. So this is where the wave 4 peaked in a triangle pattern A, B, C, D, E. We then started to move down here in a wave 1 down, corrected this in a wave 2. We are probably now in a wave 3 here, and we are in these subwaves within the wave 3. There are different ways to count this, how this actually subdivides. I don't think currently we have seen the low of the wave 3 yet. The reason for that is we would need to move lower in this scenario. Because otherwise you would cut here. If that here, for example, would already be the wave 4, you know, if I can't label it like that, because the wave 4 came way too high and came into the price area of the wave 1. Not possible. The wave 3 needs to be lower, and the wave 4 should not come above that $9 and $22 level. Yeah. So in my view, the wave 3 is still unfolding here, after which we should see a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 down. What would be the target for the wave 3? Let's just take a look at that. And I don't want to make that a very long video, just want to quickly update you here about Polkadot. So, I mean, it is technically possible that it just reaches the 100% multiple here. The problem is that it came down too much. It came up too much again. So yeah, I would expect the wave 3 to reach $7.57. That is what we would assume in a wave 3. Then we get a wave 4 retracement that should not move above $9.20 again. And then we get the wave 5 down, and that should land somewhere between here $5.62 and between $5.62 and $7.20. Yeah. So this is what we are looking for. And then here, that could be it. That could be it with the overall correction in the Polkadot or on the Polkadot chart. From here, it could theoretically turn around, and that is also what I currently primarily expect. Now, there's one other way of counting this, and I don't want to confuse you. I just want to mention it. So I might go to that other wave count. Again, it doesn't change a lot. It just means that the wave E and the wave 4 would actually have peaked here in a triangle pattern, that it was an extended triangle, and that we only have just seen a wave 1 down here and a wave 2 to the upside. And I just label that quickly just to show it to you. So wave 1 here, wave 2 up. Actually, I would probably be in favor of that scenario, but in the end, I don't want to move between scenarios too much here. And it wouldn't change much. Yeah, wave 1 down, wave 2 up. We could now be in a wave 3. So again, very similar to the other scenario. Then we will have a wave 4 up, and that should, however, not go all the way above 858 again, this scenario. And then we get the wave 5 down. So overall, very similar scenarios. They will end in a similar region, and they can be both counted in a valid way. So for me, I'll remain here currently with this one. I think this is the one that one of them will work out, and they will end in a very similar way. And maybe when we see how this move now unfolds further, maybe today or in the next couple of days over the weekend, or maybe early into next week, then we can look into what specific wave count we have here. But overall, in both scenarios, I expect that we are now in an impulsive 5-wave move down. The only difference is in one scenario, we are already here in that wave 3. In the other scenario, we will also be in a wave 3, but it just started later. Yeah, that impulse down, and it might have a minor effect on the eventual overall target area here. But from there, somewhere here in this yellow target area, I expect the reversal, and it would need to be here actually below the wave 3 to fulfill the minimum requirement. I'm talking about that wave 3 here, which was the low from the 12th of May, which ended at around $7.20. So the target area I would expect all of these waves to end would be here, in light blue, between $5.62 and $7.20. And that would be great, because then Polkadot has made a very strong impression if it really stops in here, because this is the area between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6% FIB level, between 562 and 1065. Overall here, I've been expecting anyway since November, December, that wave overall to end. and then it would have been spot on, and here we could move around, and it would also allow Polkadot not to drop below that 88.7% fib level, which is a sign of strength. So overall, I'm expecting this overall wave 2 to finish, because from a daily or high level picture point of view, we are completing here a so-called expanded flat pattern. So we moved up back in May 21 to a new all-time high back then. That was a wave 1. We then moved down in a wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, which is part of the correction actually. And we are now in this wave C, and the waves A, B, and C, they are part of that wave 2. And this will be the end of the correction, hopefully. And then we should from there be able to turn around, get back into a new bull run. Now it's simplified, illustrated here. So this red wave or this red arrow, it won't play out like that. There will be lots of ups and downs there, similar to what we did here back in February, March 21. So there will be a lot of up and down. It will be a messy move up. But yeah, this is what could play out. Now, how long that will take, I can't tell you. We need to wait for the markets to play out. But the price areas we can, I think, very, very accurately forecast here. This move down was also forecasted with the Elliott Wave method, and we are in the region. And now on the move up, we should get to at least the 1.618 fib extension at $87, provided we recover from here, and we will move above all these resistances, $23, $32, and then the all-time high, and then we can expect a price of at least $87, because then the likelihood increases massively that the next wave up will be a wave 3. All right, and that is my view about Polkadot. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel, membership, and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.